Ni mambura ma gukunguira miaka mirongo itatu na itano kuma riria bengi ya Equity yambiriirie utungata wayo guku bururi-ini maria maratabanirio guku mucii munene wa Nairobi. Aigithia na ene shares magikinyia niguo kumenya makiria matanya ma kugacirithia motungata ma bengi ino. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa bengi ino Dagitari James Mwangi, bengi ino nitanyite gukorwo ikigacirithia motungata mayo makiria honge-ini ciayo ciothe.
We look back at the journey we have come, we marvel at the goodness of our Lord and the support and confidence of our customers and partners.
Kurumirira ukungwiri uyu honge itiganite irokire kunyitanira kwaranĩria na aigithia ao, tukiambiriria ruhonge-ini rwa Nut House kuria murugamiriri munene Joseph Jega atariirie uria aigithia makugunĩka.
When you come as our customers, we are going to serve you as our customer of equity. We are one equity. So I think to me, the biggest change will be our service and our commitment that we have rededicated once more.
Ningi Jega niagwetete maundu matiganite maria magucenjia hari utungata wa bengi ino.
If you look at the ATMs that we have installed, for example, they are the state-of-the-art ATMs. They have even biosolutions in terms of identification that will be able to be enabled.
Na kuruhonge-ini rwa Gigiri ndumiriri yuma o ino aigithia makiheo mwihoko makiria.
The new look, as you will all see around, has been crafted to match new realities, the changing business environment, emerging customer strengths, and preferences of the digital customers.
Muthia ruhonge-ini rwa Ridgeways arugamiriria bengi ino undu mwe na aigithia manyitanira gukungwira hari utungata ukinyaniire magitanya wagiriru makiria. Bengi ya Equity niwe ikoragwo na muigana munene makiria wa ahuthiri guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha metha ya ujuria Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.